research from the Riddet Institute has been published on plant-based beverages that are alternatives to milk. How do different plant-based drinks compare to each other nutritionally and as an alternative to milk? To answer this question, we collected 103 plant-based drinks from 28 brands from New Zealand supermarkets and analysed their price and nutrient content in comparison to standard cow's milk. On average, all the plant-based drinks were more expensive than milk, and their nutrient content varied widely between the drinks. We analysed a range of more than 20 macronutrients and minerals and found that milk had the highest content of protein, calcium, amino acids, phosphorus, zinc, and several others. Here we will focus on protein and calcium. Only soy had comparable protein content to milk, about 3 grams per 100 grams, with all other products having less than 1 gram per 100 grams on average. You would have to consume nearly 18 servings of some plant-based drinks to get the same amount of protein as a serving of milk. We also considered the key nutrients within protein, the amino acids. The plant-based drinks had lower content of amino acids than milk, and the difference grew when we accounted for the bioavailability of these nutrients. The low nutrient content of plant-based drinks is partly due to their low content of the named plant ingredient. A 250 gram serving of the almond products surveyed contain on average 9 grams of almond extract, around 6 almonds. For the oat drinks, this was around 33 grams, about half a cup. We also investigated whether sedimentation had an impact on nutrients by analysing the drinks before and after shaking. Some unshaken plant-based drinks showed 66% lower protein content and over 95% lower calcium content in the liquid compared to after shaking due to sedimentation. This shows that the drinks need to be shaken before consumption to achieve their stated nutrient content. In contrast, shaking did not really impact the nutrient content of milk or the soy drink. What we do not know is the absorption and bioavailability of calcium from these products, so without any scientific evidence, we cannot assume they will be comparable to milk. We also made some calculations on the environmental impact of these drinks. Removing milk from the diet of the average New Zealander would reduce their total emissions by around 1.1%. Replacing the protein content of the removed milk with a soy or oat drink would result in a smaller overall reduction, while replacing milk protein with an almond, coconut, or rice drink would result in a net increase in emissions. In conclusion, this research has shown that plant-based drinks are not nutritionally equivalent to milk.